program is brought to you by Unfon. Sino na naman kaya ang matatapatan ng swerte sa muling pag-iikot ng Wheel of Fortune? Itapon ang malas at salubungin natin ang dalawang tagabigay ng buenas, Rustom Padilla and Victoria London.
Ay, totoo pong todo-todo ang saya na ibinibigay ng Wheel of Fortune.
Just like the Wheel of Fortune, wala ng preno. Paikuting na ang saya at pagpremyo from daily, weekly up to monthly for a chance to win a brand new car.
At wala rin preno ang patuloy mong pagganda, Victoria. Kaya huwag na natin patagalin at paikutin na natin ang Wheel of Fortune. Ang ating mga fortune seekers ay sina Chel, June at Chard. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Tama ba, Chel? Shell. Oh, Shell as in Shell. Okay, thank you. Ready na kayo to solve our first puzzle? Solve na yan? Okay, let's see. Our puzzle board in our category is Star and Roll. Of course, ang highest cash value on the wheel is 4,000 pesos. Shell, spin that wheel. Ayan, kasi kayo, big money. Ay, ilakas na. Pwede niyong ibulalas kung ano man ang inyong emosyon. Alright, June. Spin that wheel, June. Woo! Yeah. Money. Yan. Oh.
Go. One more. Yo.
June tayo. Yan. 2,750. Okay pa rin, di ba?
Okay lang
oh,
siya.
Give me a good letter, June.
Give me an S, please.
S. 4 S's times 5. Naku, 11,000 for you, June. Ay, times 4. I mean. 4 S's, di ba?
Yes.
Oo. O, game, June.
Yes. Can I buy a vowel?
Nalito yung writer ko doon. O,
Can I buy a vowel? Is there a letter A?
A. 2 A's.
I'll spin.
Go ahead, June.
Big money. Go. One more.
For 2,000.
Is the letter R, please?
R. Walang R. Sorry, Chard. Big money, Chard. For 1,000, Chard.
Is there a letter N?
N. Yes, 1 N.
Spin.
Okay, go ahead, Chard. Chard for 2,000.
Is there a letter T?
T. No T, sorry. Oh, Shell, it's your turn. Bawi ka, Shell.
Big money! Ayan na naman. Stop, please.
Napakalapit ng bankrupt sa'yo, Shell. Di ba? Kabawi ka pa mamaya. June.
Spin.
Go ahead, June.
Oh, big money. Woohoo! Money. Stop. Oh,
June for 1,000.
Doon tayo, June. Sorry na naman. Letter L, please.
L. 2 L's, that's 2,000 for you, June.
Can I buy a vowel?
Okay.
Letter E, please.
E. 4 E's.
Can I solve the puzzle?
What's the puzzle, June?
Wesley Snipes as Blade.
Wesley Snipes as Blade.
Thank you, Lord.
Mainit ang ulo, pero tingnan natin. Let's see our puzzle. Ayan, Wesley Snipes as Blade. Napanood mo ba yan?
course, HBO nga lang.
Okay lang yan.
Yes.
Kaya alam mo no?
Yep.
Anyway, June, ang napanalunan mo for this round is 12,200. Pwede mo bang palakihin yan sa mga susunod na rounds? But, alam mo ba, meron tayong surprise wedge. Kung nakuha mo, ito sana yung napanalunan mo. MK, what's our surprise for tonight?
When you're out in the sun, protect your precious eyes from glare and dust with this elegantly styled sunglasses by Christian Dior. Now back to you, Rustam.
Thank you. Di mo nakakita si MK. Naka-shades yan. Yun, suot-suot na yun. Porma yan eh. Chard, Shell, pwede tayong bumawi for round 2. Alright, so round 2 po sa pagbabalik ng Wheel of Fortune.
This program is brought to you by Unfon.
Round 2, meron tayong goodie on the wheel. MK, what's our goodie for tonight?
Captivatingly stimulating in the rich, lustrous yellow, you feel drawn to its promised comfort long before you can even lay on it. With 2 built-in drawers to fit in your bedroom accessories, the sofa bed is simply irresistible from play and display. Now back to you, Rustam.
Thank you, MK. Let's meet our fortune seekers. Ang ating unang fortune seeker ay si Shell Herrera, 34-year-old flight attendant. Talaga, anong airline?
Asia's first.
Oh, magka-batch ba tayo? Nasa ganap na naman ako nagkaklase.
Ahead ako 2 years.
Really? Nakalipad kita?
Once.
Talaga? Magaling ako, di ba?
Ewan ko, maalala.
Hindi, pero di mo naman siguro ako seniority, no? Hindi, pero ma'am ko.
Oo, nag-mom ka na eh.
Thank you, Shell. Sarap makakita ng mga dating kakilala dito sa show, no? Ating second fortune seeker ay si June Paras, 24-year-old medical representative. At he loves helping other people and making them happy. Wow!
Yes.
Paano mo naman pinasasaya ang mga tao? Kunyari ako, malungkot ako. Paano mo ako pasasayahin?
Usually, yung pinapairal ko yung word na empathy. Talagang nakikirelate ako by riding on his shoes para maintindihan ko yung situation.
Sige, mamaya bigyan kita ng ibang problema. Okay, ating third fortune seeker si Chard Aquino, 28-year-old accounting clerk. Meron siyang never say die attitude. Kailan mo napatunayan itong never say die attitude na to, Chard?
Kung may mga dumating na problema, may mga solusyon dyan, hanapin mo lang.
Oo naman, laban ng laban, di ba?
Laban.
Mag-give up. Para ngayon, laban dapat ang laban. Alright, jackpot round tayo. Meron tayong initial pot money na 5,000 pesos at madadagdagan yan sa bawat cash value na hihintuan ng wheel. Para makuha ninyo ang jackpot, kailangan huminto sa inyo ang jackpot wedge. Makapagbigay kayo ng tamang consonant and you must solve the puzzle. Alright? Sige, jackpot round na tayo. Let's see our puzzle board and our category is title. June, spin that wheel.
Money, big money. Money.
June for the surprise. Give me a good letter.
I'd like an N, please.
N. Two N's. Okay, you may get your surprise wedge. Tapos panoorin mo kung anong ating surprise.
Do more dovetailing tasks as you conveniently spin wash and spin dry with this twin top washer, courtesy of Asia's leading brand, GE Appliances.
Okay, June, may kasama ka ba sa bahay?
Wala.
Okay.
Sa bahay namin?
Oo.
Yeah, parents ko.
Okay, di na mahirapan mami mo maglaba, di ba? Okay, June. Sige, spin that wheel, June.
Big money. Big money.
For 1,600, June.
D, please.
D. Yes, 1D.
I'll spin.
Okay, go ahead.
Money.
For 3,750.
R, please.
R. No R, sorry, Chard. For For 3,250, Chard.
Is there a letter G?
G. 1G.
Spin.
Chard for 1,800.
Is there a letter K?
K. 1K.
Spin.
Go ahead. For 1,200.
Letter T, please.
T as in
T,
tango.
tango.
No T, sorry. Shell. It's your turn. Bawi tayo doon sa mga bankrupt natin kanina, Shell.
Anything but bank.
Pwede na, no? What's the new to learn?
Okay, pwede na yan.
For 1,800, Shell, give me a good letter.
Okay, is there a letter L?
L. Yes, 1L.
Spin.
Go ahead, Shell.
Is there a letter S?
2,500, Shell, yes. What letter?
S, please.
S. 2 S's, that's 5,000 for you, Shell. Go ahead. Ano ba yan? Okay lang yan, Shell. June! Ganon.
Money. Big money. Money, please.
For 2,750.
P, please.
P. Yes, 1P.
I would like to solve the
What's
puzzle.
the puzzle, June?
Sana dalawa ang puso ko.
Sana dalawa ang puso ko. Alright, may tanong ako sa'yo pero ninenervous ako sa sagiging sagot mo. Pero alam mo ba kung sino? Ang pelikula yan, kanta yan eh, kanta.
Opo.
Tapos naging pelikula din. Sino bida dyan?
I'm not sure, April Boy Regino. I'm sorry.
Alam mo? Ang laki ng problema ko ngayon. Parang hindi ka naman nakakatulong ng problema yata eh.
Hindi naman ako eh.
Alam, hindi. Parang ikaw na off guard mo ko. June, alam ka na nun mo 10,150 pero parang gusto kong bawi. Hindi, binunod lang kita. Kaibigan natin yan si April. 12,150 worth of prizes na napanalunan mo for round 2.
Yes.
Shell, babawi tayo for round 3. Promise! Promise! Alright, so round 3 to sa pagbabalik ng Wheel of Fortune. Di ko kayang tanggapin na mawawala ka sa akin. Ikaw? Naku! Kasalanan mo to, June. Bakit ako nagkaganito for this round? Third round na tayo. Shell, bawi ka, ha? Paninindigan ko muna itong aking pagiging si Idol, April. Tinitignan ko yung tsura ko. Okay, third round. Let's see our puzzle board and our category is Classic TV. Chard, spin that wheel.
Big money.
Yoko.
Big money. Big money.
Chard for 1,000.
Is there a letter R?
R. Yes. 1 R.
Spin.
For 1,000, Chard.
Letter T, please.
T. No T, sorry, Shell.
Yes.
Pwede ba? Medyo... for 1,000.
Okay,
Give me a
I'd
good
like
letter.
an S, please.
S. Yes, 2 S's. That's 2,000 for you, Shell.
Big money! Stop! Please, stop! Stop!
Nanganganib na ayan. Alright. 3,750.
I'd like a D, please.
D. Yes, 1 D.
Big money! Okay.
For 1,800.
I'd like a V, please.
V. Yes, 1 V.
Spin.
Go ahead, Shell. Naku, on a roll si Shell. Shell, for a free spin.
Okay.
Yes, give me a good letter.
An F, please.
F. Yes, 1 F. You may get your free spin wedge. Pwede mong gamitin mamaya yan.
Okay.
Sige.
One more.
Go ahead. Remember, may nahabol tayong winnings, no?
Yes.
For
A Y, please.
2,500. Yes,
Sorry.
Y.
A Y, please.
Yes, okay, Y. Meron. Isang Y.
I'd like to solve the puzzle now.
What's
please.
the puzzle, Shell?
It's Days of Our Lives.
Days of Our Lives. Yes. 70s ba yan? Pero matagal yan eh. Hanggang ngayon.
Oo,
pairing pa
yata.
yan,
I
ano?
think so.
Alright. Alam mo ba, Shell? Ayan, let's see our puzzle. Days of Our Lives. Nag-return of the comeback si Shell. Mabilis ang mga pangyayari dito sa round 3. Ibig sabihin, hindi, nanalo ka muna ng 10,050, Shell. At good news sa inyong tatlo dahil pwede niyong palaki ng mga winnings ninyo. Meron tayong round 4. Pero bago yan, sa mga gustong sumali, panoorin niyo muna ito.
You can send us your info sheet with your recent photo at P.O. Box 1554, Quezon City Central Post Office, Nia Road, Diliman, 1155, Quezon City. Or you can email it through wfortune@abc5tv.com. Now back to you, Rustam.
Ayan, tatapusin ko na ang aking pagpapanggap. Balik Rostom tayo. Jun, ha? Ako bida. Sa tagal ng puso ko. Angst ko ngayong gabi yan. Anyway, round 4. Let's see our puzzle board in our category is place. O, Shell, ikaw ulit. Spin that wheel, Shell.
Ayan.
Uy, lose a turn at speed up round na rin tayo. So ako na mag-spin ng wheel. At kung ano man yung cash value na ihinto sa tapat ni June would be our cash value plus 1,000. Alright? And then magbigay kayo sa akin ng tamang consonant and then 3 seconds to solve the puzzle. 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000 ating cash value. June, give me a good letter.
R.
R. Yes, 1 R. Sorry, June, Chard.
S.
S. 1 S. Shell.
T, please.
T. No T, sorry, June.
N, please.
N. No N, Chard.
P.
P. No P, sorry, Shell.
L, please.
L. Yes, 1 L. June.
G, please.
G. 1 G. Sorry, Chard.
O.
O. 2 O's.
Golf course.
Golf course. Yes, indeed. It's golf course. Chard. Ayan, let's see our puzzle. It's golf course. Naglalaro ka ba ng golf?
Hindi pa.
Ah, talaga? Hindi pa, pero may plano.
May plano.
Oh, magandang exercise daw yan. Eh, ako rin may plano ako mag-aral. Anyway, Chard, for this round, nanalo ka ng 2,000 pesos. Iuwi mo na yan, Chard. And thank you for joining Wheel of Fortune. Thank you for being a good sport. Ang aking workmate, Shell, sayang, no? Pero di ba, nung round 3 naman, nanalo ka ng 10,050. Iuwi mo na yan. And thank you for joining Wheel of Fortune. At sino yung mga nagpapabati sa akin ng mga katrabaho? Kaya bati tayo, dali.
Nadine Carayag, Michelle Montesa, Sherry Pai Wihangco, and...
Ayan, lahat ng
Lahat
barkada.
more.
Sila Tina Ongkiko, yun. Jerry De Jesus, mag-asawa yun pala. Anyway, hi sa inyo at ayan, sa mga tagapal, hello and goodbye. Ewan ko sa inyo, June. Ganito rin ako. Pinulan. June, round 1, nanalo ka ng 12,200. Round 2, 12,150 for a total of 24,350 worth of prizes. At hindi lang yan, dahil ikaw ang aming top scorer, ikaw ang makakasama ko sa bonus round kung saan pwede ka manalo ng 50,000 worth of prizes. Alright? So relax ka muna and we will pause for this reminder at dyan lang po kayo dahil babalik pa ang Wheel of Fortune.
This program is brought to you by Unfon. Of Fortune, ang okay na si Alan Kay. Sultry sexy Salina Sevilla. At wow mali funny man, Joey De Leon.
So, solve na pa kayo to solve our first puzzle? Solve na!
Abangan ang tagisan ng mga comedian ng ABC, Celebrity Wheel of Fortune. Bukas alas 7:30 ng gabi sa ABC Game Show Hour. Abangan ang...
Bonus round tayo. Kasama natin dito si June. Hindi ako makarecover. Hindi, June. Okay lang, biro lang kita. Pinapatanggal ko lang yung nervous, no? Hindi ka na ba ninenervyos? Wala na. Hindi, pero dapat nervousin ka. Oo, ninervousin ako. Hindi. Alright, so relax ka na?
Yes.
Okay. Meron pa tayong dalawang letter sa pagpipilian para sa bonus prize na pwede mong uwi in case makuha mo ang ating bonus puzzle. Anong gusto mong letter?
H.
H. Alright. O, sige, ito ang bonus prize na pwede mong iuwi in case na makuha mo ang ating bonus puzzle. Alright. So, medyo relax ka na?
Yes.
Ready ka na? Let's solve our bonus puzzle. Let's see our bonus puzzle. And our category is person. Meron tayong given letters na R, S, T, L, N, and E. Tignan natin kung ano sa mga letters na yan ang pwede makatulong sa'yo. Okay. S and R. Now, don't worry, meron pang 4 letters na manggagaling sa'yo, 3 consonants and 1 vowel, na pipiliin mo at yun yung palagay mo na makakatulong sa'yo. Alright? And then I'll give you 10 seconds to solve the puzzle. Ano ngayon yung mga letra na yan which you think can help you solve the puzzle?
I guess, P.
P.
As in Papa.
Yes.
D.
D.
Yes. G.
G.
And, A.
And A. Alright? Tignan natin ngayon kung ano sa mga pinili mo will help you solve the puzzle. Dalawa. Ayan. Okay? June, your 10 seconds starts now.
Sugar Daddy. Sugar Mommy.
Sugar Mommy! Ayan! Sugar Mommy! Very good. Ang galing mo, June. Hindi na kita tatanungin kung meron ka na. Hindi, wala. I'm sure wala. Pero, ano?
Mommy meron.
Meron. At meron ka rin sugar.
Yes.
Oo, pero hindi sugar, Mommy. Okay. Alam mo kung ano na panalunan mo, June? Ako muna si Silep. Ay, ang ganda! Full collection of April Boys album!
Oh, yes.
Hindi! Ayan, Yappy Showcase!
With thousands of available applications combined with the longest battery life, fastest processor, massive memory speeds, and an unprecedented storage capacity and external expansion options, this award-winning Pocket PC will keep you connected anytime and anywhere from compact iPad. Based on the popular Arch design, this cell phone has the most up-to-date technology. Easily and quickly navigated, it supports automatic time zone update and allows access of all GSM services in Europe, Asia, Pacific, Africa, and the Americas. The Ericsson T28, connecting your world with style.
Alright, June, to recap, alam mo ba, nung previous round, nanalo ka ng 24,350 and then ngayon, 50,000 for a total of 74,350 worth of prizes. Congratulations, June.
Congratulations. Now you have a chance to win 100,000 pesos worth of prizes in the weekly match and a brand new car in the monthly finals.
Oh, alam mo ba, Victoria, thank you for wearing my heart,
Will you be my sugar daddy?
Ang bata ko naman, ikaw naman. Alam mo, may sinasabi sa akin sino yung boss mo na classmate ko rin?
Si Leia Dino.
Ayan. Hey, hello,
Let's
classmate.
go with everyone.
Ay, hindi ko nga alam eh. That's why I feel so happy. Kaya yung mga taga-Baguio na avid naman na nanonood din dito sa Wheel of Fortune, hello sa inyo. And hello to RJ Bautista and Kurt Anthony Reyes. Dahil sa araw-araw po silang nanonood dito sa Wheel of Fortune. At maraming salamat sa Nissan North EDSA for your support. And sana wag niyo po kaming bibitawan everyday. Panoorin niyo po kami dito sa Wheel of Fortune and tomorrow sa ating second celebrity match. Mag-i-enjoy kayo sigurado dyan. Kaya magkita-kita tayo, same channel, same time, Wheel of Fortune.
This program was brought to you by Unfon.
Pretty Wheel of Fortune, 8 o'clock, Family Feud! Congratulations!
And the race is on. Dito sa Premier Puzzle Word Hunt ng bansa, isang clue,
Let's see our puzzle board and our category is quotation.
tatlong fortune seekers, isang letra.
An N, please.
Pag nagtugma at nahulaan ng tama,
Tabloid! Tabloid! Ang galing mo!
Sugar Mommy.
Sugar Mommy!
uulan ng papremyo at biyaya.
Kaya huwag na natin patagalin at paikutin na natin ang Wheel of Fortune!
Lunes hanggang Sabado, alas 7:30 impunto sa ABC Game Show Hour.